Good morning, children. This is Shashi here, and today we are going to study biology that comes under your science subject. Okay, so in previous classes, already we have studied all these parts like fruits, vegetable, nuts, dry fruits, sprouted seeds or sprouts, then food from animals like meat, egg, chicken, honey. Okay, now another type of food which we obtain from animals, that is your milk. Okay, so from milk what do we obtain? So we have to see that. Okay, so first of all, what is milk? So milk is obtained from animals such as cow, buffalo, goat, camel and yak. It is very nutritious substance and rich source of protein and fat. Okay. So what is your milk? First of all, it is obtained from where? Obtained from animal. And what kind of animal? Cow, buffalo, goat, camel and yak. And it is very nutritious. Okay, very nutritious. Too much nutrients is there in the milk. Okay, and it is very nutritious and a rich source, means from milk what we get? Fat as well as protein, also calcium, minerals, vitamins. Okay, which requires for healthy body, bone growth and normal nerve function. Okay, so what is milk? Milk is obtained from the animal such as cow, buffalo, goat, and they are rich source, means from where we get. So they are rich source of what? Protein, fat and milk. Protein, fat, vitamin, calcium, and they are very essential for growth of bone and normal nerve function. So if you'll be asked the definition, explain what is milk, okay, and how they are useful for us, so you have to write this whole para. Okay, don't be confused. Okay, so once again I'm telling you that milk, first of all, it is obtained from animals such as cow, buffalo, goat, isn't it? And it is rich source of protein and fat. Okay, and it also contain what? Milk contain calcium, mineral and vitamin. Okay, and it is helpful in growth of body, bone and normal nerve function. Okay, so this much you know. All of you consume milk, isn't it? So in milk we get calcium, protein, fat, and it helps in growth of the human body. It makes the bones stronger. That's why the small children are given milk. Why? Because bones are made up of calcium. Okay, calcium, and in milk we get calcium. Got it? And many dairy products are made up from milk like paneer, cheese, cream, butter, ghee, curd, khoa, malai, condensed milk, buttered milk, milk powder, and various and all kinds of sweets are made up of what? Made up of milk only. Okay, so these various types of dairy products all are made up of what? All are made up of milk. So few things we'll see how they are made up of from milk. Okay, now here we'll study about how this paneer, okay, how this paneer is prepared with by milk. Few of you must be knowing about this. Okay, so one of the common method of making paneer includes adding lemon juice or vinegar to hot milk. Okay, so in the milk what we do? We used to add vinegar or lemon juice. Okay. Then after that, the liquid portion of milk called whey. I'll show you that. The liquid portion of the milk is called as whey is drained off, or it is separated from the solid part. Okay, so while making paneer, if we will put the lemon into it, what will happen? The solid part and the liquid part will be separated, and the solid part will be called as coagulated casein protein of the milk, and the liquid part is called as what? Whey. Okay, so this way the solid part is separated, and we used to press hard that solid part, and then paneer is prepared. Now, whey is watery part of milk that is separated from coagulable part of curd, especially in the process of making cheese. Okay, so what is whey? Simply it is the watery part. When we'll prepare cheese or paneer, then the watery part of the milk will be separated. That is called as what? Whey. Okay, now you can see the process how it is prepared. Okay, look at here. The milk is taken and it is heating. The milk is being heated. Okay, now look at here. The milk is, after that vinegar or lemon juice is added. You can see in the milk lemon juice is added here. Okay, now after some time what will happen? You can see, can you see the solid parts and liquid parts are separated. This liquid part only I was telling that it is whey. You can see here one liquid and one solid part is there. So this liquid part is whey, and now this solid part is separated. Now it is being collected. Okay, it is being collected. Now it will be kept like this. Okay, for some time it is being collected and it is being pressed. You can see it is being pressed. It is being pressed and it will be kept for some time. Okay, now after some time, this watery part is called as what? Whey. And after keeping it pressed, now sometime you can see we are getting the paneer. Okay, so this solid part is only what? This solid part is your paneer. Okay, so this is the method. Again we are coming back to the book paneer. Just now I have shown you the process in the video, that the water part, whey is watery part. You have seen part of milk that is separated from the coagulated part, especially in the process of making cheese. Okay, so what is whey? Whey is drained off the whey is the watery part of the milk. And paneer, how can you prepare the paneer? The whole process we have seen. Okay, how it is being prepared. Now another product which is being prepared from milk is curd. All of you know curd, dahi, all of you know. Okay, so how it is prepared? Most of you must be knowing, but still, see, for preparation of curd, milk is first boiled and cooled to 60 to 70 degree Fahrenheit. This temperature you have to remember. At what temperature? 60 to 70 degree Fahrenheit, not Celsius. Okay, then in the next step what we have to do? Some curd of previous day, means small amount of curd which was prepared earlier, that is called as what? That is called as starter, is added to the milk. If you don't have the starter or previous small amount of curd, then what you have to do? You can you can provide vinegar or what, lemon juice. Okay, then after adding starter into the milk, then you keep it untouched. You don't have to touch it, you don't have to shake it. Okay, and after 10 to 12 hours your milk will be ready. Okay, so what is the process? Once again I am repeating. So first of all, you'll take the milk in one utensil and you'll heat it. Okay, you'll heat the milk. After that you let it be cooled for how much? 60 degree to 70 degree Fahrenheit, not Celsius. 60 to 70 degree Fahrenheit, you leave it to cool up to that much temperature. After that in that milk you add starter. Okay, you add starter is what? Previous curd. Then you add it and leave it for 10 to 12 hours untouched. Then this milk will convert into what? It will convert into curd. Got it? So it will convert into curd. Okay, now one thing, very important thing, one bacteria is responsible for converting the milk into curd. That is, what is that bacteria? Is called as Streptococcus thermophilus and lactobacillus. Okay, so these are the two important bacteria, okay, which convert milk into curd. This one you have to keep it in mind. You have to remember what are the name of the bacteria. Streptococcus thermophilus, okay, and lactobacillus. So you have to name it. Now to prepare the curd, see the process how it is being prepared. First of all, what we have to do? We have to take milk. Okay, now lemon is there. Okay, now you see, after taking the milk, first of all what we have to do? We have to heat the milk. We have to boil the milk. Okay, we have to boil the milk. After heating it and cooling it for 60 to 70 degree Fahrenheit, we are taking into another bowl this milk. Now we are taking the lemon juice. Okay, this lemon juice is being taken, and now this lemon juice will be added. See, it is being added into the milk. Then what will happen? We'll keep it untouched for how much? For 10 to 12 hours. Okay, then after 10 to 12 hours you can see that your curd is ready. Okay, so this is the process, very simple process. You must have seen your curd is ready. You must have seen at home also, isn't it? Now I was telling you that milk converts into curd. So bacteria are responsible. What are those bacteria? Streptococcus thermophilus and lactobacillus. But you'll say that we don't see any bacteria in the curd, but you'll not able to see with your naked eyes. But if you'll see with the help of microscope, then you'll see both these bacteria with the help. They are very small. Okay, that's why we cannot see with our naked eyes. For that we have to see with the help of microscope. Okay, so now we have taken a sample of curd. Now this is the microscope. Now with the help of microscope we'll see the bacteria. See, with the help of microscope, these are the small bacteria present in the curd, but with our naked eyes we are not able to see, but in the microscope we can see these bacteria. Okay, can you see? Very small bacteria. How we are able to see? With the help of microscope. And what is the name? You have to tell. Lactobacillus. isn't it? And what is the name of the other one? So you have to name it. So in today's class, what we have learned about milk, definition of milk, okay, then what are the milk products, okay, and the two products, that is your paneer, whey. Paneer, we have studied about paneer. Then what is whey, the watery part of the milk, that we have studied. And this part, what is curd and how it is being prepared, how we obtain curd from milk, and what are the bacteria responsible for turning the milk into curd, that we have studied. Okay, so for today, here it is the end of the today's class, and in the next class we'll study further. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.